super exciting announcement, as well as Jason is collecting a couple of bits. We have, well, Jason has, but I have a discount code for you guys. 10% off the whole JW Autoshine shop that is now online. So jwautoShineShop.com, 10% off with the code JamieFYD for you guys. And all of this that we're going to be using to clean up these beautiful rally cars is on there, and you get 10% off through me.
And free postage UK nationwide.
Free postage.
Over £50.
Over £50. So, link in the description. I'll put it on the screen as well, mate.
Yeah.
Let's go see some rally cars.
Ride or die.
Take some shots for Instagram. That is the shot we need though, mate. Climbing halfway up the building just to get a shot from up there. What a lad. So as you can see, both cars are now currently in JW Autoshine, and what a selection of cars to have as the van leaves. What a selection of cars to have. Now, we've placed the Cosworth next to Jason's Cosworth. Just to give a bit of perspective, obviously this is an original, you know, slightly modified version of the Escort. And this is the legit rally car that obviously I've brought to the channel. I will put links in the description to the actual video of this car where we went out and enjoyed ourselves in it. So there is a full video on this exact car on the channel. I'll have a quick walk around for you guys, because seeing this again in person with the gold wheels on is just phenomenal. The differences aren't actually that big in the bodywork, but the light pod on the front is absolutely massive. I'll come around here, you've got buttons here, switches for the battery. Just open it up, show you guys inside this thing. Just sheer insanity. Look at that, full sequential setup. Carbon fibre literally everywhere, carbon there, carbon on the side. Just phenomenal. Full fire extinguisher. All the piping going, it's just like so overwhelming. Again, carbon on the doors, just to see this in person again. What an absolute thing of beauty this is. Yeah, and just having some time with a car like this, like you notice little bits, like obviously we went through the exhausts and stuff, but look, the little baffles and like sections to the exhaust there. And coming around this side, exhaust out this side as well. It's just, oh, again, we'll go in. Look at it inside, just everywhere you look is insanity. The battery charger down there, just intercom system, madness, sheer madness.
Autonomy is an illusion.
Now, I've already sort of said how, I'm not going to say tame, but you just said tame, and it was like, yeah, it is relatively tame in comparison to that. Even through the camera like that, to that it is actually a joke. What do you think about owning that and then seeing that?
It's difficult to resist the urge to mod it.
Yeah, I'll agree with that.
I mean, I've modded it.
Yeah, in ways,
with
but
wheels, and that's kind of it.
yeah,
Whereas look at that.
that's like on another level of insaneness.
Beautiful, aggressive looking.
Yeah. And it's when you go from one to the other, you can see the difference, but that is just on a serious level of insanity.
It's all the same body parts still. So.
Yeah, I noticed that, where it's like the bonnet, vents, the wings, like the front bumper, it's literally the same in theory. It's just, so it's not that far derived from this actual car. Yes, it's very different, but light pods, livery, and some other jazzy bits, and yeah, it looks like a completely different car, but you can see accents on here that are from the road going one. It's awesome to get a picture of these two together, obviously quarantining ourselves because of the COVID-19. This is the way to do it if you're going to try and get away from the social media in the world. Why not bring two rally cars in and just give them a quick spruce up? The main reason behind this video is to shout out some positivity to the world, especially social media, online, all this sort of stuff. The media has really gone in on this whole COVID-19 thing. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more of a laid back video, just to show you guys what's going on. If you are going to quarantine yourself, I think having these cars in the background will put a huge smile on your face. Both cars outside. What is life? The state of this, the Cosworth and the Evo sat side by side, all cleaned. And the context of this video is just this view more than anything. You don't get to see these cars out in the open these days, and wow, really like this Evo. And the Cosworth just gleaming. Again, this has actually come from a rally stage, that's why it needed to be properly washed and stuff. But yeah, what a sight to behold, two legitimate rally cars. Wow.